I'm Professor Richard Betts from the University of Exeter. I'm the coordinator of the EU-funded project Helix, which stands for High-End Climate Impacts and Extremes. This project is looking at the impacts of climate change above 2 degrees global warming. It's now widely recognised that we're on a trajectory of greenhouse gas emissions that will probably take us above 2 degrees global warming within the next few decades, and therefore we're looking at what the climate may look like at that level of climate change, both globally and regionally. The project is specifically focusing on Europe, Africa and South Asia. We don't pretend to be able to predict the future for those regions, but we want to look at a range of plausible climate change scenarios consistent with global warming at 2 degrees and 4 degrees and even 6 degrees global warming, which could possibly happen in the most extreme scenario by the end of the 21st century, but even more likely beyond the end of the 21st century. We're looking at the physical impacts of climate change on, say, flood risk, drought, impacts on ecosystems and biodiversity, but also on the human impacts, human health and economic impacts and issues of migration and security as well. So it's a very multidisciplinary project, so it's a very exciting piece of science across all different disciplines, and we aim to provide some information on what the world might look like at these different levels of warming in the future.